Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. The error message type error, numpy.float64 object is not iterable occurs when you try to iterate over a numpy float64 object as if it were a list or another iterable. This typically happens when you mistakenly treat a single scalar value as an iterable collection, such as a list or an array. Understanding the error. In numpy, float64 is a data type that represents a floating point number. When you perform operations that return a single floating point value, that value is a numpy.float64 object. Since it is a scalar, not a collection, it cannot be iterated over. Example of the error. Here's a simple example that illustrates this error. Output. In this example, we created a numpy array ARR. We calculated the mean of the array, which returned a single floating point number, mean_value. We then attempted to iterate over mean_value, resulting in a type error. How to fix the error. To fix this error, you need to ensure that you only attempt to iterate over iterable objects, like lists, tuples, or arrays, not individual scalars. If you want to perform some action with the scalar value, you can simply use it directly. Corrected code example. Here's how you might correct the above code. Output. In this corrected version, we print the mean value directly without attempting to iterate over it. We also demonstrate how to iterate over the original array, which is iterable. Summary. A numpy.float64 is a scalar and cannot be iterated over. If you encounter a not iterable error, check if you are trying to iterate over a scalar value. Use scalars directly or ensure you're iterating over collections, like lists or arrays, instead. By understanding the nature of numpy data types and ensuring you only iterate over iterable objects, you can avoid this common error in your code.